Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the distorted filter on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do. It just takes about a minute. So all you're going to have to do is go over to the TikTok application and open that up. And then you want to go over to your Discover tab and you just want to search for distorted. And then once it pops up, you just want to find a video that's using the filter. So we're just going to click on one of these videos. And as you can see above the person's name, it says distorted with a little star beside it. So you want to click on that. And then you could add it to your favorites. So whenever you make a new video, you'll be able to use that under your favorite filters. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.